Nigeria may be the next Gaza. And as it stands right now, Nigeria may go to war with the United States of America. As Americans don't take them upon themselves of the bye where the terrorists, the Fulani bandits, they buy Christians for inside Nigeria. Don't read. Do you know that I see even they talk, more attacks are coming on the people? I will play you this video. May you see. Plateau, Benue, all the whole northern part of Nigeria, the Christians there are no longer safe. I will play the video. They are destroying their crops. They are buying people. This one now, they happened recently. For those people where they compare Bandit and Boko Haram with Mazin and Dekalo, our sister Lolo Nyeka get a good message for you, so that what you don't know how it started, you know how to talk about it. Watch the full videos. Now let us go and listen to this. Our brother here waiting talk will happen recently, as even the US they talk, say that they buy people, they don't buy another 20 join for the one where they don't already buy. Watch the video.
Yeah, it was from yesterday's evening at about 6 p.m. We learned that armed Fulani and their cohort, who are the bandits and other terrorist networks, were moving from Bangay Fulani settlement to Bindi, which is Jebu village of Tahos community local government. And I immediately intimated the sector commander that this is what is about happening, and he assured me that he will make deployment. After some minutes, I called him and he assured me that his men are already pinned down and they have spotted the Fulani grazing their cows, because that is what they usually do. Their modus operandi to attack villages and communities is to come massively, you know, with their cows, and then of course the attackers will pin down and the cattle will go back. And that was the exact thing that happened last night. And so at about 10 p.m. there were some sporadic gunshots. They made an attempt, and so the vigilante that were on ground, and also the unit commander that is stationed at Soap, whom the people actually, you know, commended the effort he made. They resisted the attackers at the first instance. And so at about 3 p.m. or thereabout, the 3 a.m. of this morning, the attackers regrouped themselves and came. And of course, they opened fire and killed as many as 27 people. Some were burned down to ashes at the pastorium. And it actually shocked us that despite the effort that some of the security made, we learned that there's another intervention team that was sent to come and respond or to add to the force of the security already on ground. We learned that those ones couldn't do anything. And so it actually baffles us that, of course, this is part of the collusion and the complicity of the security agents that have been sent to respond to a distress call, but they couldn't, and it led to this. And the people who were calling, they said, please sir, could you help us? And of course there was nothing. So we are calling for investigation into the activities of those that were sent afterward. But we must commend the STF operatives that were stationed at SOAP, because if not that they have stood their ground, the actually fatality would have been higher than this. So we are calling that we are Nigerians, and in this general area, all farm crops have been destroyed. Like last night in Jol community, they went and destroyed over 30 farmlands, completely mowed down. This did not only happen in Jol, it also happened in Mbachi. It happened here in Rinyan the same night.
Has there been anything that triggers this?
There is nothing, my brother. It's just act of terrorism. A terrorist does a terrorist need to be provoked to unleash mayhem on innocent people? They are killing everybody, and these are terrorists. It must be admitted. Government must admit that terrorists have infested and have formed their enclaves. Mahanga is 1, Bangay Fulani is 2, Jebu is 3, this general area, and as well as fast, and with information available to us, which we have intimated the security, that they are brought in, as at last week, they brought in 5 hillocks of attackers into fast. We were thinking that there's going to be a rapid response to have those people arrested. All the information we got is that the people that came for wedding, which wedding, and even went from the informants that were there, they witnessed these people, and it was from there they went to attack so many places. So we are dealing with attackers, who are bandits, who are terrorists, who are armed Fulani militants, not Fulani hate men. It must be known. And if government will not rise up to the occasion to guarantee the safety of lives of people, I tell you, we have no option than to resort to self-help, because it's constitutionally provided. And we cannot be killed. We are not created to be killed. We are created to live and serve God in our own land and enjoy our constitutional right. But today, we are living at the mercy of the bandits who are here. If it were a Fulani killed today, the whole community will have been ransacked. There was an allegation day before yesterday that a Fulani man was killed within this area. Military came and invaded this place. They came and ransacked the whole place. They are looking for a corpse of the Fulani, and that is the modus operandi of the Fulani. Whenever they want to unleash mayhem, they will frame up either a cow is rustled, or a cow is killed, or their kinsmen are killed, and then there is no establishment. If it is the truth, why wouldn't they allow security agents to carry out discreet investigation to unravel that? But of course, that was the same thing they did when they attacked Rim community within last week, and they killed 2 people. And we have not heard of any arrest. We have not seen anything. But our boys are currently in detention, that we arrested with nothing in their hands, and they are currently in detention. So what are we saying? Where on earth will this kind of injustice ever be perpetrated and then go free? If not because in this country, if not in this part of the country.
Thank you.
So we are calling that all our youth that have been arrested for no just cause, for not in possession of anything, should be released with immediate effect. We had already calmed the youth down, because otherwise this place would have been a pathway, because youth were ready to block the road, to tell the world, to tell President Tinubu, to also tell Barrister Caleb Mutfu and the executive governor of Plateau State, that enough of what we are seeing in this general area. We cannot continue this way. Enough of it. It must stop. Government must rise up.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yesterday, in Niger State, the terrorists even buy more people there. I'm talking of yesterday. So Nigeria is gone. If it did not happen to you, you will not understand. For many Igbos who do not know what is happening in Igbo land, and they have brainwashed you to turn against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, now watch this video. The truth is that you can never be him. You can never be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and keep running around the bush. You will later agree with him. Share this video. Watch this video from this our sister.
Igbo bụ Igbo, ekene m ụnụ, lọlọ Nneka Chimezie na-ekwu, anyị ka na-ewetara n'ọnọdụ Igbo. Enwere ihe m chọrọ ịkọlụ attention ndị Igbo too. Recently ka anyị hụrụ ndị bandits ebe ha nyakochi egbe na bọmbụ pụta, a na-ayọ ha biko were peace. Of course, this is not the first time we are witnessing this kind of a thing. Enwere mgbe emechi ndị Boko Haram arrest ha na nga nọkọta asa anyị na-rehabilitate ọla ha. Wejo ha na amị bulalo anyị na South East, ha jido ụmụ anyị na-asụ ka akwụ nga a na-akpọ a na-blackmail IPOB. And from my investigation I'm carried out, IPOB has maintained to be a peaceful organization. Take it or you leave it. It doesn't change that fact. That ndị mege mkpamkpa n'ụlọ bụ ndị Ebubeagụ. And Ebubeagụ Hope Uzodimma, governor of Imo State, na federal government kụwara na-ege na ntị kụwara jail Imo State kpọrọ the criminals onye asarị ya tenụchara ha ha wụbata ya na South East n'Imo State. Ọ ya wụ ihe mere ihe m jikwa ka ihe a na-awụ those states patronize Ebubeagụ webe killing ndị higher and Imo State, Anambra State na Abia State. Unu lee anya hụ na Enugu State never patronized Ebubeagụ, and that was why iji n'Enugu State throughout ihe niile gbasgbo sa na-eme enwede ihe mere much emeghe n'Enugu State. Then ndị Ebonyi State dị na mbụ ga court stop Ebubeagụ, ọkụ ya ka iji ịnụhụ much na-abịa n'Ebonyi State. Ilekwa anya hụ na kamgbe Alex Oti gbara bata na Abia State chụpụ Ebubeagụ, unu ga-ahụkwa na Abia State eme unu enjoy some kind of peace. Then kamgbe Soludo kwa withdraw, because asị dịka bọsị na Soludo mecha withdraw, kamgbe Soludo kwa withdraw from Ebubeagụ, peace abatala. So ebe ọ ka njọ with their headquarters na Imo State. Now ihe m ji na-akpọ ndị Igbo n'ụbọchị taata bụ na ahụna m ebe Nigerians na ndị ọbụla na-eme asị Nnamdi Kanu nọ na nga na-discuss with bandit. Ihe awụ mkparị Nnamdi Kanu awụdo bandit. Nnamdi Kanu awụdo owodo bandit owodokwanụ ele ihe na-akpọ Boko Haram. Nnamdi is a freedom fighter. So biko ndị Igbo, raise on your voice. Ha separate on Nnamdi Kanu from bandits, from agboro, from militants. Nnamdi Kanu si na ha chọrọ inweta nwere onwe ha na-agbaghị egbe and ha da-agbada egbe enwebedo ebe enwetara any senior IPOB member with egbe ma ọwụ n'ọgbọ ndị ụlọ hụrụ maka ihe ahụ ndị recruit just to blackmail IPOB. So biko our attention adrola my attention to the fact that it na adro Nnamdi Kanu parallel to bandits na ihe mba Nnamdi Kanu a freedom fighter. So onye chi manyere Nnamdi Kanu ya na amanye Nnamdi Kanu with ihe dịka Mandela ma ọwụ Mahatma Gandhi ọkwa of India ihe Nnamdi Kanu wee na-enye agbakwa Nnamdi Kanu ume ndị na-anụ olu m na-ahụ ya si ya jide ya kara obi ya jishi ike Mandela nọrọ 20-something years ma nweta ihe ọ chọrọ na Nnamdi Kanu anyị mana ihe o ji ka nọ na nga taa wụ na ọ kwebeghị any deal ọwụ na ọ kwele deal ọwụ ya wụ onye mbụ gara nga ele aha ya nọ nke onye Yoruba Gani Adams gara nga ọnọdụ 3 months ya wụpụta Wazirike gara nga napụta even na Sadiq Uba na owuzi government agent taa wee contractor ọ gakwara nga ọnọdụ 3 months ha pụtacha ihe ụlọ anyị na-ahụ na Nnamdi Kanu nọ na 4 years ihe o gosiri ewu na o kwesịrị ike n'ihe o believe in and nlezi anya ihe na-eme na Nigeria today Nnamdi Kanu have been vindicated adị m efolo bịa mana oge m bịazi hụ ihe na-eme na Nigeria wee gee ntị ihe niile o kwuru ọgwụ na ihe niile da young man kwuru emezuole Igbo bụ Igbo onye ọbụla lite tinye olu n'ihe gbasara Nnamdi Kanu na lebakwa n'anya na ihe federal gọọmenti na-eme n'Imo steeti enwere m nkwenye na enwere hidden something ndị otu President Tinubu na ndị otu President Buhari before ha abịakọ ọnụ enwere nkata akpa maka ndị Igbo anyị na-amadụ ka hapụ iji IPOB na distract anyị ka anyị nwụrụ n'anya ka azụ lite obodo ọbụla ga-aga tige vigilante na befa obodo ọbụla rezo ezigbote vigilante mee ha equip ọfụma ma kwụọ ha ezigbo ụgwọ ka anyị bidokere n'ebe ahụ ndewo.
My people, things are really happening. Any prayer where you dey pray, abeg no forget pray may Nigeria no happen to you. For those where they see truth, they go turn am upside down. Nigeria, my prayer be say may Nigeria happen to you. He say, abeg wanna share this video. You get why.